So the easiest way I've found to remove little stains on the ceiling, a little bit of APC. Kind of just want to get a brush and just softly agitate it. It's a lot better, but I can still see remnants there. So let's just repeat. And there you have it. Let's do these now. So you want to be really gentle with the ceiling. It's not, it's a delicate surface. You don't want to use the greaser because you might disrupt the glue and this will start sagging. Nor do you want to use a steam gun because that'll soften up the glue that's keeping it there. As you can see, this one's going to take a little bit more agitation. Having different types of brushes helps. For this, I might have preferred like a dental brush. It's better, but not quite yet.